YouTube has become a global platform for creativity and content consumption. With millions of creators uploading content regularly, it might seem like the only way to make money on the platform is by creating your videos. However, there are alternative routes to YouTube success that don't require you to be on camera or create your content. In this article, we will explore various ways to make money on YouTube without making. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize YouTube without creating videos. It involves promoting other people's products or services through your YouTube channel and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs in your niche and create content like product reviews, tutorials, or top 10 list with affiliate links in the description. Another method is to curate and share existing content. You can create a niche-focused YouTube channel that compiles the best videos from others within your niche. Make sure to give proper credit to the original creators and use their videos with their permission or as allowed by YouTube's copyright policies. You can monetize this channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 9. Many content creators are looking for someone to manage their YouTube channels, including video optimization, metadata, and community engagement. You can offer your services as a channel manager and take a percentage of the ad revenue or charge a flat fee. This can be a win-win situation for both parties, as creators get professional channel management and you earn money without making your videos. If you have a good voice and excellent narration skills, you can offer your services as a voiceover artist. Many YouTubers hire voiceover talent to provide commentary for their videos. You can find gigs on freelancing websites or directly collaborate with content creators. This allows you to make money with your voice without having to create video content. If you have a library of high-quality stock footage or music, you can license it to other creators for their videos. Many YouTubers look for professional assets to enhance their content. You can list your stock footage or music on platforms like Shutterstock or Audio Jungle and earn royalties every time someone uses your content. Cheap search engine optimization and analytics are critical for a video's success. If you have expertise in these areas, you can offer consulting services to content creators, help them improve their video rankings and audience engagement, and charge a fee for your services. And can create and sell merchandise related to a niche or popular YouTube channel. Many YouTubers have their merchandise, and they often collaborate with others to expand their offerings. Consider reaching out to content creators for collaboration opportunities or creating your line of merchandise based on popular YouTube trends.